So Molefe is really not happy that Chomi Wahaye she's not going to get a dress because Onale Runa says that she is busy umatasa umtase, and he does not understand which umatasa ganjani because family comes first. Chomi went to Molefe and tried and voice out and said we're taking border. I'm not saying that you should call Onale Runa and speak to her. I just wanted Khonsan telling Moma Fatling, and I'm hoping that this is gonna stay between us. But from the look of things, Mulife is not gonna even let that stay between them because he looks like he is on fire to go and tell Onaloruna where to get off. Well, from the look of things, it looks like Indaba Ilapo. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing House of Zwide. Ndimatekwana, Sanbanan Abshen Molweni Minjani. Hipukele Hingongwina. So namutlaka ka nolwa hina wa House of Zwide, Hukumakoroshula Samsekange Kahle, looking at the fact that yes, Sokalezo is not going to jail. We get that. But unfortunately, part of the terms and conditions that he is supposed to he is subjected to are that he is not going to get a referral letter, which is now negatively impacting him for the longest time of his career, because today he had an interview, and in the interview they said that they wanted the referral letter from the previous employer, and then he said he did not have. And then they indicated that, you know what, in this industry, especially in finance, you need to have that referral letter so that we can know and see what has happened. Why do you want to leave your previous employer? You can be a good person from word of mouth, but we need to speak to your employer so that we can know. Um, are you trustworthy? Masokufika kulezi zomnotho, and we know uthi ugaye watshontsha, so which is a problem. But I think also the employer is shooting himself on the foot because if he does not give the referral letter, where are they going to get the money? Speaking of the money, ayike ufikile omunye umlisa ke ngathi imoto yaphuma, imoto yaphuma. Yo, kubhedi la kubhedi kwaBoZulu. On the other hand, Isaac Molapo decided that he was going to address the public, and he asked them if they trust him. Then the public says yes, they do. Then he had to bring Ugogo, and everybody else wanted to stone her, but Uyatagata. But then he did explain Brotenness that had to explain about the Alzheimer sickness, what kind of a sickness it is, what does it do, the pros and cons. And I think at the end of the day, Umpagati understood where Mr. Isaac Molapo was coming from, to a point that even later in the afternoon, umphakathi ufikile le Cabo Coco, and then Molefe was so worried, thinking that maybe bazomshisa and stuff, but then they were there to apologize for indlela bamtreate ngayo, thinking ukuthi uyathakatha and stuff. And it's just that they did not have much knowledge when it comes to the kind of sickness that she has. Faith decided, in fact, she did not decide. She said that she wants Ubaby Busi to come and stay with them forever because she feels like she misses her, and she feels like they can do a better job now that Mampo is married. However, Nkosi said no. He thinks Guti she is in a very good routine with Mariano Mawake, so they can't just disrupt that.